Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. I haven't done a full makeup tutorial, like the whole face. I've only done like a lot of eyeshadows, eyebrow tutorials, product reviews, just a whole bunch of little things. But I feel like it's been a long time since I've done a whole face tutorial. And I'm gonna do a very cute look. Well, hopefully you guys think it's cute, but it's gonna be no eyelashes. I know there's a lot of you that don't really like to wear fake eyelashes, or you're like don't have time to put them on or something. But yeah, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I do upload videos in English and in Spanish every week, so be a part of this little family and let me know in the comments below that you are new, and let me know where you're from if you want, of course. So I already have primer.
And if you see me looking up there, there's a big screen. I have a big TV behind the camera, so it's a new thing. So if you see me looking up there, it's just I'm not used to it, and it's just so I can see the products are like really focused.
Anyways, yeah, I already have primer on, and I use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Prep and Hydrate Balm. I just applied it all over my face, and I just went like this over it just to make sure it's even everywhere. And now for the foundation, I'm going to put this Covergirl Full Spectrum All Day Shine Free Foundation. I really love this foundation, and I've been testing a lot of foundations, especially drugstore. Yeah, most of them are drugstore, just so to see which ones give you like the camera flashback, like if your whole face looks white when you use flash, and this one doesn't. So I'm really happy with this one. Also, you don't want to... Can you guys hear that? That fly is so loud. Anyway, you don't want to forget your neck. And this sponge is from LA Girl. And I'll leave all of the products that I'm using in the description box below in case you guys want to check that out. And since I feel like I don't really need concealer, I'm going to skip that part. And this foundation is like a medium, I would say a medium to full coverage. Let me see if it says back here. It doesn't say, but I think it's medium to full coverage, and it looks like it covered pretty much everything really good. And to set my whole face, I'm going to use this Rimmel pressed powder. It's Stay Matte, so this will also give you the matte effect. Matte finish. Matte finish. Same thing, but I was trying to find the right word. And I'm going to apply this in tapping motions first, like this, since the foundation is still very wet. And I'm using the Anastasia A20 brush. And I'm just going to start like this, and you can see it right away. My skin starts looking matte. I'm also going to put some under my eyes. Ew, it's green. And it's so big. Okay. After setting my whole face, I'm going to bronze up my face, and I'm going to mix these two. This one's the contour palette, BarePro from Bare Minerals. I'm going to mix these two together using the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush brush. So I'm just going to get those two. So I already applied it on this side over here, and it looks nice and bronzed. And then on this side I don't have anything, so it looks pretty plain, especially right here, my cheek area. I like looking down and then going like this. I can see like the natural shadow for my cheekbones, so that's why I'm going to apply like this, tapping motions, and then I'm going to slowly start blending it out. Then I'm going to take it up to my temples and then to my forehead. Then I'm going to put a little bit of blush, and I'm going to use this one from Makeup Geek, XOXO blush. You can hear it's broken. Well, just the thing fell out, and it's very pigmented, so I just get a little bit, and it's a cute pink. And I'm going to use the same brush. I like to apply it first right on the elbows of my cheek, so I smile a little bit, and then apply it right there. You can barely see, it's just a little pink. Now, for my brows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo, and I'm also going to be using their brush number 12. It's the brush I always use for if I use a pomade or a powder, just whatever product I use, I always use this brush. It's really good, especially to outline your eyebrows. Ugh, I love it. But I'm just going to outline them from the bottom first, and then just fill them in and then blend it out. I don't want them to be too dark, like too much product, especially because this powder is black. I'm just going to use a little bit. Once I finish my eyebrows, I'm going to apply this clear brow gel from e.l.f. Cosmetics on top of them. I really love this one because your eyebrows stay like this or however you want them all day. There's times that it's like windy, my hair is like all over my face, or just anything touches my eyebrows and they just end up like down or brushed up or just like all messy. And this eyebrow gel keeps them in place all day. Before I move on to anything else, I do want to set my face with this Rimmel Fix and Go Stay Matte 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. I've only used this a couple times, but the times I did use it, I noticed that my makeup was good all day. So of course I'm gonna keep using it. I don't know if you guys noticed in my other videos, but I would normally use my mirror, not this one, my other mirrors, but I would always go like this to dry out the setting spray, or I would use my hand. But now I have this. The eyeshadows is something very, very easy to do. It's quick and also super cute. I love it. The first thing I'm going to apply is this. This is from Covergirl and it's actually a highlighter. And I'm just taking my finger and applying that all over my lid and just a little bit above my crease and making sure it's nice and blended on my crease. So the eyeshadow that I apply on top of that can look nice and blended too. And since it's a bit, like it's like a cream highlighter, it will really grab on and hold on to the eyeshadow, the powder eyeshadow that I'm going to apply on top of that. It's a super cute and very sheer highlighter. Then I'm going to grab my Covergirl Full Spectrum palette. I really love this palette, super pigmented, and the shades here are really cute. And I'm also going to be using the little brush it comes with. I'm going to be using both sides. I'm going to start with this one right here, and I'm going to grab this eyeshadow right here, and super cute and very pigmented. So I'm going to apply this on my eyelid, and it doesn't really change that much. You can see on the other eye I already have it on my eyelid. It just gives you like a little bit more of a rose gold, a little bit, it has a little bit of pink in there. Once it's all on my eyelid, I'm gonna go like this on my crease or a little bit above my crease, just depending how far up you want the eyeshadow. And you can see that it's not really nicely blended. So I'm going to grab my e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush and I'm just lightly going over the edge. You don't want the shimmer to look too messy, like all over the place. I'm going to clean this up down here just so I won't have like glitter or shimmer all over my face. So I'm just going to do it lightly. Then I'm going to go back to the palette and I'm going to grab this one right here using the other side of the little brush. This one's also very pigmented, super cute. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line, and for this part I don't really need to like blend it out. So I'm just going to apply it right here. Just make sure it's not like that harsh. It doesn't have like a harsh line. I think the eyeliner part is the only part that can be a bit hard. For this I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Perversion waterproof eye pen. And it's the first time I use this pen and I actually like it because I don't really have to go like push the pen for the pigmentation to really show. You know, it's really easy to use. And I'm just going to do a very simple and thin eyeliner. The mascara I'll be using for both my top and my bottom eyelashes is the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. I recently uploaded a video showing you guys exactly how I curl my lashes and how I apply the mascara step by step, and I use this mascara, and I'm gonna put that video in the description box below in case you guys would want to know like any tips and tricks on how to apply the mascara and make your eyelashes look really pretty. So go check that video out. And last but not least, for the eyes, I'm going to put this black eyeliner from Covergirl. It's from their Full Spectrum collection. I'm going to put this on my waterline. This will make my eyes look a little bit more intense and a little bit smaller, but it looks cute. Now for the pot highlight, I'm going to put this Pot Beauty. This one's their Gilded Light Prismatic pop. This one gives you like a really like glossy highlight without giving you a lot of glitter. I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my chin, and a little bit on the tip of my nose. And I'm using the Pixie E02 brush to apply this all over. I'm also going to take the Real Techniques brush and apply it right here to give it that inner corner highlight. I love putting shimmery eyeshadows right here. I just love the glow it gives you. So now for the lips, since on the eyes I have gold and brown shades, you can wear any kind or any lip color that you want. Actually look at what shirt I'm wearing that day, what color shirt I'm wearing, and then decide what color I'm going to put on my lips. But since I'm wearing black, I can wear any lip color, and now I can't decide, so hold on. So I decided to wear a brown liquid lipstick. I haven't worn brown in a long time, and this one looks really good with the eyeshadows. It's the Covergirl Melting Pout Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I really love this one because it stays on all day. You don't have to touch up or anything, and it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It doesn't dry up your lips. It feels really good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this whole look in the comments below. Let me know if you liked it, and if you did like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. For today's video, I do want to give a shout out to Anna Perez from Soledad, California. Thank you so much, Anna, for your love, your lovely comment, and your support. I love you so much. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and let me know in the comments below that you want a shout out. And if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. I do upload videos in English and in Spanish every week, so be a part of this little family. Let me know in the comments below that you are new, and I'll be happy to give you a shout out in my next video. And just leave any other video requests in the comments below, and I will be happy to film that for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I'm going to smack that fly. I just threw the brush. Bella! And it was right where Bella was sleeping. Come here, Bella. Come here, girl. It's okay. Oh! Oh my god. Those... Her nails are so sharp. Okay. You're pulling my shirt down.